We have 2 access right now. We have 21 pool to go. Do the land tour and go straight to the waterfall. This one I prefer. The quickest way to the falls.
The walk up the falls.
We don't want to come back through the dark. Yes, lots of people were crying. For tomorrow, somebody.
I want to see it all. I want to see everything.
We're going to let the river now because we have to get back. Because we're far in the hills right now. You want to see everything?
Yeah, man.
Come on.
I want to see everything.
This is a diving tunnel because you get darker now. It's a Rastafari. You talk about love. No malicious feeling. This one is the Jamaican bamboo, okay?
Big bamboo.
Come up. Fever, fresh, cold, calcium, all those things, right? So who cannot swim, can hold my hand. Give me your hand. Go. Alright, down to the back. Come over here. Hey! What's the bamboo? No. Yeah. Give it peace and love, so unity in my side.
No.
This is your house today, backyardy.
Oh!
Oh shit, hold on. Where'd she go?
Go on. You won't die not in Jamaica. Bumbo class, man.
Where's the dog?
Alright, sorry. I thought you were saying go back. My bad.
Alright, respect.
So what do you call those hills? Put up this shit on it.
Don't kill me, man. Me hungry.
I don't know if they're home. Me just a check out.
Yeah, man. Find a friend and made us one.
Yo, somebody of you want something to eat too?
So who that I'm carving here, huh?
I have a virgin who come here. Anything you like when you come back, you can purchase.
Well, what I say, I want a man to do some carving.
Well, when you come and you see, you can talk to him. Be gentle.
Yeah.
But I'm not a gentle man.
That's good.
You understand?
You know what you are.
Yeah, as a Rastafari.
Exactly, man. High Selassie.
Yeah, man.
Blessed glory. So you talk about love.
Yeah.
You talk about love, baby. You need a man with a perfect love. Someone want to take. You give me some way. I want to know my way. I want to know how many steps I got to make before I reach your Zion gate, baby. No malicious feeling, yeah.
Yeah, man.
I see you.
What come down here?
All right, this one is the Jamaican bamboo, okay?
It's what they call big bamboo.
Jamaican big bamboo that grow 2.5 inches every day.
They're fucking big.
You have a plastic, right?
Yeah, man. Remember Zukie this, you know?
Yeah, man. Zukie.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
original. All right, now you're going to enter the water now, right? take your time. Just take your time.
The woman with the phone, can you please take a picture of that?
The special love. That's what the Rasta man talk about. The special things that I give you all wages. I give you everything in your life. I want to know, my baby, if you love me, girl, just come and tell it to me. I want to prove it, my baby.
Yes, brother, welcome, man. Happiness and joy. Come this way, brother.
Come over here. Yeah. No one ever come with vexation. No malicious destruction.
Come up, come up, come up.
All right. We have two access right now. Right? We have first access. Hiking up the stream. We have 21 pool to go. And do the land tour and go straight to the waterfall. This one I prefer.
The quickest way to the falls.
The walk up the falls, the
Go
21.
straight to the waterfall.
Yeah,
No,
man.
no.
No?
You want go to the
We don't
falls
have,
or
it
you
depends
want-
on the time, how long it takes.
Because we know that we don't want to come back through the dark.
Exactly,
Okay.
let's go the straight
So we
way.
want to go straight to the waterfall. We have two falls here, so we want to go to the two of them. He said that we go the 20 yard pool.
All right.
Right?
You're the man,
I want
man.
to check
We
out
follow
the
you.
pools though, eventually. At least one or two of them.
You want to check it out?
I want, when we
I
come
want to
back,
see it
when
all.
we
I
come
want to
back,
see everything.
look,
You want to see everything?
Yeah, man.
we can see the falls
Come on,
and
come on, come on.
Let's walk fast.
I want to see everything.
but what I'm saying, we could have go to the falls and come chill in the pool for a bit
No,
after
you
on
have
the way.
you have the pool them to take a swim before you go to the waterfall.
So Zukie,
Yeah.
everywhere in Jamaica, right, that have them natural trails and stuff, it's always some private property.
Yeah.
Is there no public place like this?
No,
'Cause in America, this is
no public.
but here it's always somebody's private.
Yeah. Let's take your time on the rock and roll.
Hey, Ras.
Come on. All right. Stop here for that time. Okay. Right here, we're gonna start now. Good for fever, fresh cold.
Yeah. Healthy water, man.
Fever, fresh cold, calcium, all those things, right?
Yeah.
So all those people have a bad feeling, all those things. This water cover everything and wash away all those dirty bad feeling. Okay? So we're gonna hiking up the pool then now. We're for the hiking.
Yeah.
And we have 20 and lots of pool. So who cannot swim? Everybody gonna hold my hand and we go across.
Yes.
You take a dip to the mineral water, keep your body jiggy jiggy.
I guess so.
Okay. So what you don't want to wet, just put them inside here.
Yeah, make some keys.
I left everything in the car, man.
Give me your glasses.
Cause every little thing gonna be alright.
What do you mean? Okay? You can swim and go on the rock.
Step on the rock. Look where you're stepping. There's a rock here, right? Let's take your time. Alright, stand up, stand up. Look at these up. 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 Okay. Come on guys. Get down, get down, get down. Oh no, all right. Stand up. Your hand. Just keep up. Look where you're going. Over this side. Alright.
This way we're going?
Yeah, yeah.
Hey.
Come over. Hold on to the bank. To the feet here. Hold on to this smallest bank. Come down now. Come on, come on. Come right there. Thank you. We got to go get Mara.
Oh my god, this is clean your feet really well.
Yeah. Step up on the right. Step up. Watch your step. Step on the rock again. Rock again. Come along now. Up on the right. Come this way. Come this way.
Definitely,
All
right?
right, come over here. Come on. Up on the last spot. Go down a little. Go down a little. Stand up firm. All right. When I count 3, you're going to jump on the side. Okay? 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Get them to the pool. Walk right here. Walk right here. Over. Your body, jiggy. step out. Drive on rock and roll. Okay. You like the massaging from the limestone?
Yeah, man.
You like that?
Yeah.
It's easier
Yeah.
for it.
Yeah. Yeah. Please. Right? Pyramids.
Come down. Put your feet here. Put your feet right here. Put your feet here. All right, come down, my lady. Take your time and come down for me. No rush here. Let I go over where my feet is. All right. All right, this one now, I know you cannot do it. This is a diving tunnel because you get down, you know. You can dive from there and come back over here. We're going to let the river now because we have to get back. Because we're far in the hills right now. Here?
Yeah, man.
Here, honey. Here, sweetie. Honey bun. All right, this one is the deepest pool here, right? So you got to walk right here. Come over here. Come right here. Hold on to my hand right here. Watch the rock.
Turn off the camera, man. You're not seeing anything.
Look at the river right now. All right, listen now. We got to walk from rocks. Step on that one over there. Rock to rocks. Come over this side. Step on that one. Go right over. Now we got to finish to the waterfall here. Stop, stop. All right, watch the step. Come over. Come steadily. Come up. Come up. Watch the step. All right. Watch the bamboo. No, that's it. Turn on the phone light.
What happened?
Take your time here.
Hey,
No more water now. Straight back. Straight back. Take out the phone. Everyone coming? Come on, man. Come on, my baby. Come on. All right, 25.
Hi, cookies.
Yeah.
Hide in the mountain. Oh, where you are, you sexy baby. Where are you coming from, baby? I want to know. Love is so
Poisonous snakes here?
No, baby.
You know,
I remember my sweet loving, I enjoy it so much with you. Where are you coming from, baby?
just turn on. I thought I should curl it up.
Love is so sweet.
Curling up.
Step over, step over. I need to know, I need to know, I need to know. Where are you coming from? My love is so sweet, it's so hard to believe. You give me love, you give me love, I don't see every eye to you. It's bright like the dying sunlight, the shine in your eyes. I need to know that the loving it must stay so. Sure. About a thing.
Every little thing
Have
will
to
be alright.
Rise up this morning. We are smile with the rising sun. The three
Little birds.
sit by my doorstep. She's singing sweet song. Yes. Yeah.
How much further would it
Take your time. Take it easy. Take it easy. Don't need your hurry. Come over here. Make a step down. Slowly step down, right? There's a road, it's rough. It's rough and tough and hard to beat tonight. Walk over this side for me. Through this place is rainforest. Rainfall every day. Everyone all right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
That's a lot of mud.
It's not muddy, you know. It's just a little bit of clay. You should get rid of that. As you come down for the flat, everything is good. That's why I don't give you nothing in your hand to carry.
Who's carved out his path?
Here is the workers them, you know.
Okay.
So you have man special do this work, you know. Clean the road.
This man do the special work.
Yeah.
Stop through.
Yeah.
Bushman, then we call them.
Bush the road. Alright, you have some little spot here to get down, right? So tell my friend to turn on the light like the lady can see.
Yeah, the light is on.
Just take your time, okay, my friend?
Yeah, man.
This is country road. So you have to just take your time and rock it down, okay?
Mm-hmm.
To the place I belong. This is Jamaica. This is just rest on my mind. I don't need to take you home. The country road, you take me home. To the place is 3 years, girl, I keep knocking at your door. Yes, I'm still one of somewhere. With you, girl, if you think I'm good. I want to know the night day will come. You're flying over my head. Father creation is my holy hallucination. Is my thing waiting for me. This is the time I only used to die. The tender care and so tender love. Yes, lots of people were crying. For tomorrow, somebody. There is peace and love, and unity in my side. All over again.
Hey,
Oh, I rock
what
with
is
you, my
this?
friend.
Zukie, yeah. The stairs.
Huh?
What is there?
There is a bridge going to build there.
Oh, oh.
Yeah, like,
Very deep in love. Down to the ground. I feel like a yo, baby.
can't
That's you, da.
that has that.
And I feel like a yo, baby. That's
I'm
your
wearing
time
all
of life. When you can aim, that you're walking everywhere. Talk, you can feel a little Zukie, but baby.
Oh, wait.
Take your time down. Take your time down, honey. Take your time down.
thought this is no more water.
I saw that too. Let's take time rock and roll, man. Watch the rope. Watch the rope. Yeah, we have to. We're there at back on the space where it starts, right? The eyes. Where up to the eyes. All right. Watch the bamboo. No. Yeah. Yo! Them said, no. No. Yeah. I and I. Rastafari. Yeah, man. Peace and love.
Always.
Selassie. Jaja. Go straight on that road. Follow this way.
The rest.
Yeah.
What they're saying is trucks or cars come down here where they have this concrete. So
Yeah, man. Like some people.
that's where the trucks catch go also.
Yes, man.
You been to Roaring River?
Yes, man. Run the river down there, so.
Yeah. Close, huh?
Yeah, a couple miles from here. But run the river different falls. Run the river, I don't carry fall enough.
Yeah, it's like cave and a
Cave.
river.
And just a blue hole. You understand me, bro? Yeah, man. This is really so we live.
So, yeah, so everything look locked up already.
No, sir.
How the hell did I do that?
What happened? We are at the waterfall, you know, we went to a river. How you call this place again?
Mayfield.
Mayfield.
Mayfield Falls. From down there.
You know what you're going to say? You're going to say, damn, if I did just listen.
Not sure.
Here.
The whole thing.
Yeah, post it, man. Jamaica, Mayfield Falls. Do you prefer the drum or do you prefer those people? Are you big on it?
I'll do anything, baby, for you. Boy, I'm falling so deep and it's yours. Swipe right on me, too. So don't wake me up from the street.
There, I did it.
What's today? Monday? They have live music at Roots.
Oh.
So the plane was warm.
I'm gonna iron like a lion in Zion.